Hi, Miss Mary Joy. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Mary Joy Damasco. I'm 32 years old. I'm from San Jose Concepcion, Tarlac.
What is your marital status?
Single.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have 3 kids, 1 daughter and 2 sons.
How many siblings do you have?
2
And you are?
oldest.
Tell me about your educational background.
Second year high school.
Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I worked from Kuwait for 2 years and Dubai for 2 years.
What is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
For washing, for ironing, for cleaning, and take care of the baby.
How many kids did you take care of?
2 boys.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking and honest.
Do you have any tattoos in your body?
Yes, here.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to help my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea how can you take care and not to children and children with tantrums.
I will read them the story and I will play with them.
What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I will do my best and a good worker.